Hello, I'm Tenua Derek Tone. I'm going to take you through graphic design again. Our topic today is how to download and install Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Shareability Uganda e-learning, and you can even check us on our website www.shareability.net. You can drop me a message on my personal line 0753 44 14 33. You can drop me a message, then I add you in the group of graphics where we share ideas and we discuss everything about the videos that we upload. You can even mail us on our Gmail account, elearning@shareability.net. So let us go for our topic today and see how we can download and install Photoshop. So just imagine you have gone on to your Google, you have gone into Google. You can just come here and search shareability. Don't put the A in the middle, just write share and the ability without A, then you search. When you search, you get this Shareability Uganda home. You can then you click on it. We provide you with this site of ours, we provide you with softwares, so we don't want you to get stranded. Where can I get the software? You know, people get stranded when they go online and try to search for the software. They can't get a free version. So with our side, we can provide you with the software. You can just come here. This is our menu. You come here on the resources. By the way, you can even check out, since this is our website, you can even check out, we have a lot of resources from nursery to tertiary. We have a lot of resources, past papers of all levels, and you can check out, but that is not the topic for today. So you come here and click on, free resources, then you click on software download, then it will rotate to search. So the next thing, it will bring you this browser. It will bring you this. Still searching. So here is our page. After choosing software download, you can always put away these ads. You can even put this down. So these are our softwares. They are free. You can download any software that you feel like. So Photoshop is here, Adobe Photoshop CC. So I just come here. It is of 321.3 MBs. Can just click on it. It is going to download automatically. So it is downloading automatically. So you can just look here. Our download is completing. Just a few seconds and it will be done, so that we can install it. Our Photoshop is finalizing. It is finalizing. Yeah, it is done. So the next thing, after downloading your software, you just come to, it goes automatically to downloads. So our software is here. You can just click on it, double click on it, and you open. So after opening, they will show you this continue the order online, enter registration code, continue unregistered. Just click on continue unregistered. So it will bring you this, then you will open this folder, then you double click, then it will show you run the file directly. Yeah, you can run it directly. Then so that has taken a few seconds. Then the next thing would be so you have to keep on waiting for it. It will take some few minutes. So it is done. It is done. It has taken a few minutes and it has completed. So it is loading. They are telling us completing installation. Please wait. So you have to be patient a little bit. So our installation is done. So when you go back to put all this down, our installation is done, and here is our Photoshop. So that is, here is our Photoshop. You can click with this software. It brings you to desktop copies that you can always choose. So just click on it and it is going to open. It is going to open. So it will bring you that, and that will take a few minutes. Don't have to worry, it is loading. Yes, there is our software. It has downloaded successfully and it is free to use now. So it is free to use now. It is done and everything is okay. So thank you for watching. You can check on our website www.shareability.net. You can even subscribe to our YouTube channel, Shareability Uganda e-learning. You can even send me a text if you want to join our graphics class at my number 0753 44 14 33. That is my personal contact. You can even email us at elearning@shareability.net. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out on my playlist below, and you will see a lot of missed lessons or missed tutorials. Thank you so much.